a minute. You got glasses on your eyes.
What's up, people? I know it's been a minute. Guess what? This is a Cooking with LJ episode. Guess what I'm making? I'll just let you see it. I'm trying to make it anyway. Yeah, I know some of y'all probably laughing, but to be honest, right about now, I haven't made actual pancakes since I was like 8. So I'm gonna give it a try. Y'all ready to do this with me? Let's go. Alright, so here's the ingredients, here's the directions for pancakes. Make 12 4-inch pancakes. Heat skillet over medium-low heat or electric griddle to 375. Combine all ingredients and stir until large lumps disappear. Do not beat or overmix. Let stand 1 to 2 minutes to thicken. Pour slightly less than 1/4 of a cup of batter for each pancake onto lightly greased skillet. Tip: for golden brown pancakes, use solid shortener instead of oil, butter, or margarine. 4. Cook for 90 seconds on first side. Turn and cook for another 60 seconds. I don't trust that part. Tip: for soft, fluffy pancakes, avoid turning them more than once. So welcome back to another episode of Cooking with LJ. It's been a while, but I've been doing other things. As you watch my YouTube channel, you will see I also got a TikTok now, and also check my IG. I be doing my thing on all of them. But no lie, I really thought making pancakes was gonna be a little bit harder than what it was. It was very simple, very surprising. What took the longest is mixing up the batter. Other than that, it was pretty much a breeze. But I didn't know that. I was a little nervous, so I was a little apprehensive at first until I, did it, saw the results, got the hang of it, and away we go. So the actual pancake flipping part, that's one of the parts I was a little nervous about. See, I messed up right there. I was so happy that it didn't tear up. I was like, whoo. Because in your mind, it's way worse than what really happens in reality. That's why I try to be in the present most of the time now. So one side good. Other side good. Oh, y'all can't see me dancing. So I know it's been a minute. I've been gone. I haven't done a Cooking with LJ in a while. So what have you guys been doing lately? Have you tried anything new? Any new recipes? Any new cooking adventures? Thank you for tuning in with me. Remember to hit that notification button. Hit the bell. To stay up with me. There's more to come, as you already know. Keep watching. I know I probably done flipped through one too many times. So as I'm dropping more pancakes, I'm starting to realize that it's really how big you want to make it. You can make it small, you can make it big. And if you watch it, you can really control the size. Alright, what up people? So I'm in here buying some stuff for my next Cooking with LJ video. I know it's been a while, but I'm buying some stuff. I'm trying to come up with some, trying to choose. I thought about getting some of these, but they expire too early next year, as opposed to getting some of those. They expire in 2 years. So I'm gonna go with these because they're the same price as those. So I'm making chocolate chip pancakes. Never done it. First time. Let's go on this journey together. Now we're gonna add the pancake batter. So I'm trying this pancakes and chocolate chips. I'm trying it from a suggestion from one of my friends. So we're gonna see how it turn out. Staying alive, staying alive, staying alive. Oh. Anybody going to see some new movies? I saw The Conjuring. Insidious. That's pretty good. That's a pretty good movie. There's a movie on Netflix right now called They Clone Tyrone. If you haven't seen that movie, just watch the first, I say, 40 minutes. You'll see why I think that movie crazy. I like it, but it's out there, for real. It's out there. I don't really know how many chocolate chip to put in because I didn't look at a recipe for chocolate chip. You see that form? Good flip form. Look, watch. Another good flip. You see it? So the pancakes are done. I just got one more thing to do, and then I have the big reveal. Give me a minute. Ooh, wait a minute, that's too hot. Ooh. Always wash your food, son. Cutting these for the toppings on the pancakes. I want to try it because I don't really have fruit toppings on my pancakes. I just usually have butter and syrup. So we're gonna try it, test it out, see how it turned out. And voila, this is the final reveal. It's cooking with LJ, and my pancakes turned out to be pretty good. Alright, here's my plate. There's no way I'm gonna finish this. Thank you for watching. There's more to come. I enjoyed doing this cooking with LJ. I had fun doing this. Until the next time, I'm out. Peace.